Hello friends, welcome to Destination of Flavors. Kachori is one of the famous snack throughout the India, but Hinger Kachori is specially famous in West Bengal. In most of the Bengali sweet shop, it is available as popular breakfast. Today I will share this popular Hinger Kachori recipe with a Bengali traditional taste. Let's check out the recipe. For stuffing, we have to soak dals. Take half cup of urad dal and half cup of yellow moong dal. Wash and soak for 6 to 8 hours. After soaking, put soaked dal into a mixer grinder. Add water as required and grind to a coarse paste. The paste should not too runny. Now take out into a bowl and keep aside. Now heat 3 tablespoons white oil in a pan. Add 1/4 teaspoon of hing, 1 tablespoon kalonji, 2 tablespoons of saunf. Add prepared dal paste. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Mix together. Fry until raw smell goes off. Add salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon ghee and mix together very well. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix. Finally add 1/4 teaspoon hing and mix. Stop while it is darker in color than you began. Now take out the stuffing mixture into a bowl and keep aside. Let's check out dough preparation method for kachoris. Take 2 cups of maida and 1 cup of whole wheat flour in a large bowl. Add salt to taste. Add 6 tablespoons of refined oil. Mix until it's look like breadcrumbs texture. This method make the kachoris more crisp in outside. Add water as required and make semi-soft dough. Cover and rest for 30 minutes. Let's check out the sabzi recipe. Heat 2 tablespoons refined oil in a pan. Mix 1 tablespoon ghee. Add 1 tablespoon of 5 spice or Bengali Panch Foram. You can see the 5 spices in my video. Let it crackles. And add 3 to 4 split green chilies and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Add turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, add dry red chili. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 cup of red pumpkin pieces. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Now add 2 tablespoons of water and cook properly the masalas. Add salt to taste. Cook until the oil separates from masalas. Cover and cook for 2 minutes until the pumpkin pieces become soft. Now add half cup of tomato paste. Cook until the raw smells of tomato goes off. Now add 4 to 5 boiled potato pieces. Mix. Now add half cup of boiled white peas. Mix and adjust salt. Now add 2 to 3 split green chilies and mix. Add 1 cup of hot water and bring to a boil. Cover and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Add half teaspoon of red chili powder and mix. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and pinch of garam masala powder. To make the gravy thick, you can mash slightly with spoon or spatula. Finally, sprinkle some chopped fresh coriander leaves. तरी वाले सब्जी और veg curry is ready to serve. Let's see the kachori preparation steps. Knead again the rested dough for 2 to 3 minutes. Make portions. Shape into lemon-sized balls. Flatten the balls and shape them like katori and put a teaspoonful of the stuffing seal as shown in my video. Flatten it and then roll it around in your hand. Now take the stuffed balls and brush with oil. Gently roll out, trying not to let the cover break. Don't roll too thin. Make all kachoris as shown as my video. Now deep fry kachoris into hot oil. Put slight pressure on top, trying to turn the kachori slightly. You will notice it slowly puffing up. Turn over and watch as the other side puffs up as well. Take out into a plate. Repeat the process to fry all the kachoris. Now take out the kachoris into a plate and serve with hot tari wale sabzi. If you like my recipes, please don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. I will be back soon with more unique and tasty recipes. Till then, stay safe and eat healthy, and thank you for staying with me. Bye bye.